welcome to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time here, you're really welcome, and if you've been here before, then of course you're very welcome back. My name is Ty Brown, and as you can see, I have got a luxury haul slash unboxing for you. I tend to enjoy really watching these videos and filming these videos, so I'm hoping you've clicked on this video because it's something you enjoy. As you can see, I have got brands like Gigi, Versace, more Gigi, Max Mara, and a few other bits dotted around that I couldn't quite get into the shot. Also, I'm filming with a different camera, so I'm hoping it's going to come out okay. It's literally been like 2 days, but this is my first filming with this, so I hope it's okay. So you might have seen from a recent video that I went down to Bicester Village. I have a vlog up about Bicester Village, just showing you a few items that were in stock and prices, things like that. So if you haven't seen that, I'll link that up in the iCards and down in the description box. Without further ado, let's get started. And I think I'm going to start with Gucci.
Oh, you tied that really tightly. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get that out. Hold on.
Oh, okay. These actually just a classic piece, but they only have these limited edition boxes. So actually I've got two of them. There's another one there, but we'll come on to that. So let's start with this one. So if I open that up, you can see it's got the Gucci dust bag. And we have got the Betty bag. I believe it's the Betty bag. I'll just take some of that off, and you can see there it's the Betty bag, or the camera bag, in the Gigi Interlocking Gigi, or just Gigi canvas with the brown leather strap. And this was, by the way, I will put all prices on the screen because I honestly cannot remember all the prices, and also what the RRP prices were, so you have an idea of what sort of discounts that we're talking about. But this was £475, and I know that it was reduced from £1,070, so pretty good discount there. I'll put up the percentage. I think that must be 65%, I think 60%, 65%, something like that. They had this in the brown, they had it also in the white leather trim, they had it also in the red and in the yellow. Really great bag. It's got the, on the zipper, the Interlocking Gigi sign. Just a great camera bag that I thought would be good for just going on gentle walks, or going out for a coffee, meeting a friend for lunch. Nothing too fancy, but in a nice neutral color that sort of goes with everything. So that's the first item. Also from Gucci with its own dust bag is one of their scarves. This is one of the reversible scarves. If I put it this way, then hopefully you can see the two different colorways there. So you've got the beige here, and then you've got the cream there. So again, just a nice neutral scarf for wearing, let's say, with a cream coat or with a tan brown coat. Obviously these you can tie lots of ways. They're pretty understated. This, I believe, was either £135 or £175. So I think we'll move on to Versace. Now in Versace, a couple of things to show you. First off is another scarf, and it was this absolutely beautiful blue. What a striking color. I would say it's more of a royal blue here, but then the trim is more of the navy blue. So you can see that trim is almost as dark as what I've got on. So you've got the typical Versace crest there with Versace written on the bottom, and then you've got their logo that they tend to do. So yeah, beautiful scarf. I'll just open it up a little bit more so that you can see. And that's what it looks like. It's nice and warm as well. So yeah, such a beautiful scarf. Oh, I might keep that on for a moment. So this was £150. Again, I'll write the RRP price on the screen. Also from Versace. So it comes in this Versace dust bag, and it is gold bag. It's not coming up quite so gold on the screen. It is actually pretty gold, so it might be a little bit of a Marmite one, but again, it comes with the beautiful Versace emblem there on the front. It's got the gold leather strap there, which goes over your shoulder, and I always love touches like that because it just makes it that little bit more comfortable on your shoulder. And then it's got the chain detail as well. If we look inside, it's got one large compartment there, and then of course the smaller compartment for, you know, small bits of cards and things like that. Has it got the... So it was originally, it has got it on here, £1,350, and then it was reduced to £675. But I'm pretty sure on the day, perhaps on the day there was an extra 10% off or extra 20% off, because I'm pretty sure it was less than £675. And again, these sort of bags, they're so versatile. Like the camera bags, you can wear them cross-body, you can wear them on the shoulder. They're great with white outfits. They'll be lovely for dinner if you're wearing an all black outfit, and then just popping something like this on just makes it the standout piece. So speaking of bags, I do actually have another bag here, hence from Gucci, that is, hence the Gucci bag and the Gucci box. And this is currently empty. So I'll put up a picture, or I'll try and remember to take some images or videos of the bag, but it is essentially the Gucci Interlocking Gigi shoulder bag. I think that is just what it's called. A slightly blush color, but not really a blush pink, more like a nude. It's a beautiful bag. It's absolutely stunning. And this was $850 or $875. Originally 1695, I believe. The only thing I would say is it can sometimes feel like a little bit of a hassle when you've got it on to open and close, because it's one of those locks that opens sideways and you've got to put the pin through the little hole and then close back. So not so bad when you're just at home, but when you're on the go a little bit more, not the easiest to deal with. So do bear that in mind. But that was a great deal. That was definitely 50% off, I believe. So that was brilliant. Let's pop that back there. And then shall we move on to Max Mara? From Max Mara, I got a couple of things, not the coat. I mean, I'm definitely in love with the coats. I mean, we all know their wool coats are amazing. I actually tried on a really, really beautiful coat, which I'll put up on the screen. I kind of wish I'd pulled the trigger on that one. The first item from Max Mara is this absolutely beautiful knit. It's in the Breton style, but rather than your classic white and navy, it's actually a camel and navy. I'm just looking at the composition because it feels so snugly soft. So it is 46% silk, which I'm not surprised about at all. It has got such a luxurious feel about it. Not too thick, so it's going to be great for layering if you want to layer that. So yeah, look out for that in some styling videos coming up. It was £119, and I think that went down from £200, so about 40% off. Now, the other thing from Max Mara that I picked up is this really simple but very elegant brown belt. I've actually been looking for a good leather belt. I like pieces like this that have not too much design detail about them, so they're not going to be taking away or detracting from your outfit. It was £38, so not bad at all. I can't remember originally what it was. I think it was originally £120. Okay, my darlings, we're going to move back to handbags, and this is not so easy to see, but it is a Michael Kors dust bag. Michael Kors actually had a ton of things in there that were really, really beautiful, but this is an absolutely beautiful, stunning buttercup yellow shoulder bag. It's got this beautiful lock there that you just open by squeezing the two tabs together and opening up. It's got a nice open compartment there with some built-in card holder slots right there, which is great. So actually for a bag that's not the biggest, you can actually still fit in quite a bit. Now this one was £109. So if you're looking for a bag that's maybe a little bit more affordable, then this is a great one to think about. The final item is the piece de resistance from Saint Laurent, and yeah, I had such a tough time deciding what piece to pick up from Saint Laurent, because there were a couple of things that I really liked. They had so many that I loved. They had the Cassandra bag, which was beautiful. They had the Uptown bag. I can't remember what it's called, the one that has the Uptown clutch. So yeah, I'm going to actually, just looking at the timer on how long it's been, I think what I might do is save this for a separate unboxing, which will be coming up shortly. I'm going to film it now, but shortly after this, and I can explain a little bit more about the bag and why I chose it, and the hardware, the colorway. So my darlings, if you are interested in watching the unboxing of this bag, then please turn your notification bell on. Don't forget to subscribe as well. It really helps a small channel like mine. But turn your notification bell on, and you'll be notified when this video comes out, once I've had a chance to edit it and style it with a few pieces. It is absolutely beautiful. You're not going to want to miss it. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's a little bit of a mishmash. There are actually a few other things that I cannot show you in this video because they are gifts for loved ones who will almost certainly be watching this video. Do let me know what your favorite item was from here. Let me know if there are any other items that you picked up, if you've got a great deal yourself from Bicester Village, if you've been to Bicester Village or you're interested or you've never been. Let me know down in the comments. And yeah, look out for this video as well. And yeah, I'll catch you in the next one. Thank you. Bye.